Welcome back to my channel. Revved up ride motorcycle enthusiasts are always looking for ways to personalize their rides, and the Spinning Sticker Joker graphics kit for Yamaha MT motorcycles is the perfect way to do just that. This bold and eye-catching decal set is designed for riders who want to stand out on the streets while expressing their love for edgy, unique designs. Why choose the Joker graphics kit? The Joker is an iconic figure known for his chaotic and rebellious nature. With this graphics kit, Yamaha MT riders can add a thrilling, aggressive touch to their motorcycles. The design features vivid colors, sharp details, and a high-quality finish that complements the sleek, aggressive lines of the MT series. Whether you ride an MT-03, MT-07, or MT-09, this kit is an ideal way to enhance the aesthetics of your bike. High quality and durable. Made from premium-grade vinyl, the Spinning Sticker Joker graphics kit is built to withstand harsh weather conditions, UV rays, and everyday wear and tear. The stickers are waterproof, fade-resistant, and easy to install, ensuring that your bike maintains its fresh and dynamic look for years to come. Easy application and removal. The graphics kit is designed for a hassle-free application, allowing you to customize your motorcycle in minutes. The bubble-free adhesive ensures a smooth and seamless fit, while the removable design lets you switch up your bike's look without damaging the paint. For Yamaha MT riders who want to add a fearless and stylish edge to their motorcycles, the Spinning Sticker Joker graphics kit is the ultimate choice. Transform your ride today and let your personality shine on the road.